In this video, we'll guide you through two smart sound systems, indoors and outdoors. These systems work together to maintain the desired volume and sound quality without disturbing the neighbors.
If you are a manager of an event venue, and you probably may face the problems or issues with the residential area with unwanted noise. Here we implemented a sound masking system, covering the unwanted noise with a more desirable biophilic noise that is not distinguishable.
So the easiest way is to lower the volume, but it's not practical because these places, they live on high volume. It's part of the atmosphere. The other solution is build a wall around. And the third solution is the sound masking. It makes the music or the sound from the wedding venue disappear behind the masking noise so people do not notice actual activity. For sound masking, you need to have special system. We need to create an array of speakers. Sound masking array starts from here, and as we go further down, the sound masking hides. Now you can hear the music starts to disappear, and the people that live down here in the neighborhood, they don't hear the music anymore. This is psychoacoustics. We changed the concept of 4 corner speakers to an array of 9 speakers facing down. So basically you get a much more even, balanced sound all across the dance floor and at a lower sound pressure level in total.
This is the powerful system delivering 119 dB of sound pressure level. But at the same time, with a lot of dynamic range, this gives us the perfect volume. On the other hand, the limiting of this system doesn't affect the quality and gives the best results for your event for every day. So we employed a QC system that is having both locations connected and controlled. And QSys gives us the ability to control each small detail of this system.
Any place where you have such activity like the wedding venues, restaurants, any place you are in close proximity to residents, there you can use such system and it creates an acoustic separation between 2 areas.
First of all is the quality of work. And for example, this project happened in 2 days just because we actually spent a lot of time preparing for this project, properly designing, properly supplying, and properly organizing the workforce. Please call us